turned off. Also, be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items can fall out. If you're connecting to another international flight, please follow the signs for international transfers. After security, check the screens for details of your flight and ensure you are at the gate 1 hour before its departure. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on. For those of you connecting to a domestic flight, you must collect your bags and clear customs here in Auckland. If you have more than 1 hour before your Air New Zealand flight departs, follow the signs for domestic transfers and proceed directly to the bag drop area. If you have less than 1 hour before your Air New Zealand flight departs, or you may be travelling with another airline, please go directly to the domestic terminal with your bags. There is a free transfer bus between the two terminals. This departs every 15 minutes, or you can walk there in 10 minutes. Just follow the signs and the green line you'll find painted on our footpath. Once again, I'd like to have the opportunity to apologise for delivering you late into Auckland today. We do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us, and from my team, we thank you for flying Air New Zealand on the Star Alliance network. Take care, and of course we look forward to seeing you back on one of our aircraft, hopefully in the very near future. Tewa, enjoy your evening ahead. For those customers requiring special assistance to disembark the aircraft, you can either make your way forward to door 2, which is the door you